My name is Jessica and I'm the service advisor here at Express Quick Lube. I'd like to show you around a little bit. So here we have the waiting area. We have a special right now going on for $39.95. You get your oil change and your filter. We use semi-synthetic, the 5W30. We recommend that you do your oil changes every 5,000 miles. Here's where all the technicians are. So here's where they work on your cars. And over there is where they detail your cars. That is Chris. He's one of our detailers in the back. Say hello, Chris. And this is AJ. He's also a guy who details your vehicle, gets it cleaner than when you came in. So once again, my name is Jessica here at Quick Lube and Express. I'm with Wilson Auto Group right off of Lakeland. So please come by. We'd love to take care of you. Don't forget about our specials. The $39.95 oil change, and we have some other specials on your air filters and your engine air filters with free installation. Go to our website, check out all the special deals, and we'd love to help you.